Students, Namaskar. On behalf of Vidan Public School, first of all, I am praying and hoping that you all are staying at your home and you all are very healthy. Please please take care of your family members. Okay, students, we have started our first lesson in economics, graphs in economics. Okay, moving further in that same lesson, today we are taking two important questions, okay, which has been asked in board exam in previous years, in recent year also 2020, 2017, 2018. Okay, that two questions are: first is aspect to be considered while drawing a diagram or a ग्राफ या डायग्राम ड्रॉ करते समय कौन सी चीज़ें हमें ध्यान रखनी है, एस्पेक्ट ऑफ डायग्राम. Okay. This question should be asked in 3 marks as a short note in section D. In recent year, it has been asked 2020. Okay, in section D. Most big question. You have to explain each 6 points between 2 to 3 lines. Okay, your answer must be of 1 page or 1.5 page. Okay, not more than 1.5 page. First point. Choice of type of diagram or graph and their presentation. Which diagram do you want to take? Okay, first of all, select the diagram or it types. आपको किस टाइप का डायग्राम पसंद करना है, सिलेक्ट करना है. You should be clear that I want to analysis, I want to convey this information to this type of people. So you should select that type of diagram or graph. Okay, for illiterate people or big poor people, okay, big mass of poor people, you should select drawing, just picture graph. Okay, but if you want to convey the message in highly intellectual person, okay, very educated person, you should prefer for, yeah, you should go for a statistical graph. Okay. Second, clarity. Your graph or diagram should be clear. Okay, there is no any single mistake in your graph or diagram. In graph paper or on graph paper, it should be हमें ध्यान रखना है कि उसमें क्लैरिटी होनी ही चाहिए, किसी भी टाइप की मिस्टेक नहीं होनी चाहिए. ओके. थर्ड पॉइंट, स्केल एंड मेजर्स. विच टाइप्स ऑफ स्केल? फॉर एन एग्जांपल, ऑन x axis or y axis, what would you taken? 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kg. 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters is equal to 10 days. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter. What you have taken, it's called scale map. Without scale map, your diagram or picture or diagram or graph totally wrong. Without scale map, diagram or graph not be happen. Representation of axis. There are two types of axis in diagram or in graph, x-axis and y-axis. तो हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस का रिप्रेजेंटेशन एकदम नीट एंड क्लियर होना चाहिए. उसमें जो जगह हमने छोड़ी है, फॉर एग्जांपल इन 1 सेंटीमीटर यू हैव पुट 10 years, तो हमें 1 सेंटीमीटर की जगह ही छोड़नी है. ऐसा नहीं कि पहले 10 years में 1 सेंटीमीटर, फिर दूसरे 10 years में 2 सेंटीमीटर, फिर 3 सेंटीमीटर. नो, इट्स wrong representation. So your representation of axis must be clear. Okay. Data table and source of data. Okay. There is an aspect of statistical data. आप डेटा लाए कहाँ से? From which institute? From which government organization you had collected the data? Either from Reserve Bank, from World Bank, okay, For example, data of poor, data of unemployment, data of our population, from which organization you have collected the data. Okay, it should be authentical and हमें उस पर विश्वास होना चाहिए, या जिसको भी आप वो डेटा प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो वो भरोसेमंद होना चाहिए, रिलायबल. Okay. Method of calculating the data. There are different types of method. For an example, you have studied mean, x bar. Okay. M, Z, Q1, Q3. There are types of statistical method to collecting the data. Okay. Which method you have selected to collect your data? So 6 point is method of calculating the data.